So, a second example of one of our word problems. Let's read it together. The price of a pack of gum today is $1.79. This is 5 cents more than 3 times the price 10 years ago. What was the price of a pack of gum 10 years ago? So, what I'm trying to find is what I'm going to make the variable. What is it I'm trying to find? The price of the pack of gum 10 years ago. So, pick a letter to be your variable. It doesn't really matter what you pick. I always pick X, but you do what you want. So, and I'm going to be very specific. I'm not just going to say let X equal the price of gum, because I have two different prices I'm talking about. Today's price and 10 years ago's price. I already know today's price, so I really want to write, I want to be this explicit. I want to say let X equal price of gum 10 years ago. That's what I'm trying to find. Whatever I'm trying to find, I set that equal to my variable. Step 2. This is where it gets tricky. We have to write our equation. Before we actually go any further, hold on to it for just 1 second. Hi. Before we go any further, let's just talk about what kind of answers make sense. So I'm trying to find the price of a pack of gum 10 years ago. Well, it's going to be more or less than the price it is today. Less. So when I solve this, I should get some dollar amount that's less than $1.79, because that's what makes sense here. Maybe. I don't know, but it should certainly be less. Can I get a decimal as an answer? Sure, because I'm talking money, so it could be a decimal. Could I get a negative as an answer? No, a negative would not make any sense. They never paid you to buy gum, even a long time ago. So, negatives would make no sense here. Decimal, I could get a decimal, and I know it should be something less than $1.79. So sometimes I like to just think about what kind of answer I'm going to expect to see before I even do it. All right, Devin, you think you have an equation?
Yeah.
Tell me what you wrote.
$1.79 minus 5 cents divided by 3 equals X.
Maybe. I don't know.
I kind of disagree.
Well, here, I'm going to show you the easy way, in my opinion, to do this. I'm literally going to change all their words into math, just one at a time. The price of a pack of gum today is $1.79. This is, okay, so $1.79 is this, right? That's what they're talking about. Is, what's is in math? Equals. So that's how I'm going to start. $1.79 equals. Now, I just have to change the rest of this into math. 5 cents more than 3 times the price 10 years ago. How do I show 5 cents more than the price, 3 times the price 10 years ago? Well, let's go bit by bit. 5 cents more than. What does that mean to do in math? I'm going to add. 5 cents more than. So I'm going to add 5 cents to 3 times the price 10 years ago. What was the price 10 years ago? X. So how do I show 3 times that? There you go, 3x. So it does not matter if you do the 5 cents here, 5 cents, and then I'm going to add to that 3 times the price 10 years ago. Or maybe you do 3 times the price 10 years ago and then add the 5 cents. Because addition has that what property? Commutative. I can write that in any order I want. It's when it's subtraction we have to be really, really careful. But when it's addition, you get to put it kind of wherever you want. So, does my equation make sense to you guys? Do you see how I just changed their words? And I'm just going in order. $1.79. This is. So $1.79 equals 5 cents more than. That means I'm going to add 5 cents to 3 times the price 10 years ago. The price 10 years ago was X, and I want 3 times that. So there's my equation. Is this okay? Yeah? Everybody's all right? Okay. I don't think they need it, but I didn't know when that time was. Okay. All right, so now all I have to do is solve this equation. This one's not too bad to just leave the decimals there. You could clear the decimals if you wanted, but I actually don't think it's too bad to just leave them. So what would I normally do to solve this, Cohen? Yeah, subtract. And remember, it's money. So it's $1.79 minus 5 cents. So that leaves me with $1.74. Oh, it doesn't come out nice. Dang it. Now I just have to divide by 3. So I'll just do really quickly over here. 3 into $1.74. 3 into 17 is 5. 15 minus, I get a 2, 24. Oh, sorry. Well, I didn't say it.
Why not? Why? Why not? Oh.
It's way less than this one. This is like
I would not say 10 years ago it was that cheap. Maybe when I was, so I'm what, 75 now, so if you went back to when I was born, maybe that's about right. Okay, so did everybody get the same answer that I got? Yes? And so, guys, remember back to our little conversation, we said this should be less than $1.79, and it is. So this makes sense. That doesn't guarantee me that I'm right, but at least I'm in the right ballpark. It's not more than $1.79. It's not negative. So there's a lot of numbers less than $1.79, but at least I know I'm in the right area. Okay? Now, step 4, this is where it's really important. Your answer is not 0.58. When was the last time you said to someone, oh, how much did that cost? And they responded to you 0.58. No, we don't talk like that. No. Right. This is 58 cents. So you're going to write in a sentence, the price of a pack of gum was 58 cents, or whatever, however you want to phrase it. So I'll say 10 years ago.
10 years ago was 58 cents, but I put it's 58.
Okay. 10 years ago, a pack of gum was 58 cents. Now, be careful with your units. See how I wrote it? I used dollars and I had 0.58. You could have also said 58 cents like that.
That's elementary school.
Either one's acceptable. What's not acceptable, and it drives me crazy, and I see adults doing this all the time, you do not put a dollar sign at the end of the number. If you want to say something is $7, for example, sometimes people put it there. That is not correct. Dollar signs go in front. Oh, it gets me so irritated. I'm always on the Facebook Marketplace looking to buy things. People do it this way. And I'm like, no. Oh, wait, why did I cross that out? That's right. I don't bother to comment. Yep.
If you did like 58 cents in words, is that okay too?
Yes, that's totally fine. Yep, Sam.
Well, why did you say it's $7 and not $7?
I don't know. But the correct way is to put the dollar sign in front.
Story actually. Your change is 0.58.
That's very odd then. I would have been like, why are you talking like that?
Get programs wrote.
So anyway, step 5, we already talked about our answer being a reasonable answer. We can quickly check it. Let's see. If I go back to my equation, 58 cents times 3. 58 cents times 3. If you can't do it in your head, just jot it down real quick. 4, carry the 2, 15.74. Yep, 2 decimal places, $1.74. 5 cents more than that. Does that get me back up to the $1.79? Yes. So, not only is my answer reasonable, it's also right. And there we go.
I can't see it.
Sorry. Which part? I was just doing my math down there, checking. So, but this would be your answer that goes on your answer line. Okay. Awesome.